Hello friends, Naga Gardening welcome you all. Today's video is about bougainvillea, how to get more bloom on next season. My last bougainvillea bloom like this, by doing some work after bloom and during the growing season. Here's the simple tips and tricks. For bougainvillea that I have experience in my bougainvillea garden. Friends, please watch till the end of my video. In order to get more bloom on your bougainvillea like this, you should trim or remove the faded flowers after bloom. It helps the bougainvillea to rebloom again. Early training. Train and guide your bougainvillea plant in early before blooms. Remove the soft and young branches in its growing season. Always prune your bougainvillea plant once a week. Soil mixture. Well-drained loamy soil rich in nutrients. Slightly acidic soil, 5 to 6 pH level. Pinching off soft and young branches once a month helps promote more branches and more bloom. Remove the soft or young branches in its growing season, leading to more potential for bloom. Pruned regularly to maintain shape and encourages new shoots. Removing soft young branches is necessary because it takes all their nutrients to grow their branches big and thick and produce less flowers. Pinching off the bougainvillea soft tips like this helps in maintaining the desired shape and encourages more branches to fully bloom. Hard pruning or cutting like this, so that we get a short bougainvillea, and pinching once a week for more bloom. And also like and share if you are new or not subscribing to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Ensure proper air circulation. Well-drained bots with good drainage hole. Hard pruning is necessary for long and leaky branches. Don't throw the cuttings planted on the same bots. Remove its leaves and place on its mother's plant bots, or can grow on other bots. Sunlight. At least 6 hours of direct sunlight. Bougainvillea prefer full sunlight. Fertilized regularly during growing season once or twice a month. I used organic fertilizer compost and liquid fertilizers made of eggshell, banana peel and kitchen compost, rich in nutrients like potassium and phosphorus. Or by adding little fresh aloe vera or rooting hormone on the cutting like this for fast roots. Plant the cuttings on well-draining soil. Water it well and keep it on indirect sunlight for 1 week. Watering. Ensure proper watering but not overwatering. Water only when the upper layer of the soil is dry. Thanks for watching.